Oh man, am I excited to start this video. What's up guys, hope you're having a great day today. You might be wondering where I am, and if you hadn't watched the previous video, first watch that. But now, we've finally landed, settled down, and I'm here to show you guys where we are. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Asia. So yes, I'm in Asia right now. Right now I'm in India, and soon I'll be going to another country for a temporary amount of time. You guys will see that shortly in the upcoming future. But right now, I'm just getting settled in, and this is the house right here. It's quite tall, and we're gonna start off this tour with the swing. This is where, obviously, you come to swing, and I would say it's quite comfy. It's a decently comfy couch, or not even a couch, it's a decently comfy swing, and I mean, I'm liking it. I'm sorry if I'm very, just out of it. I'm still adjusting to time zones, and it is quite a pain to adjust to. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So we are gonna be quite vague with the first floor because people are sleeping here right now, so don't want to interrupt that. Okay, hi, me and editing here. It's currently 6:08 in the morning, and I have to make this quick because this camera battery is at 1%. But essentially, I don't like how I left you guys on a cliffhanger with the first floor, so I drew up a floor plan. Here it is. Let's get into it. Okay, so I quickly just drew up a floor plan of the first floor, and here it is. So we start off in the living room, which is the main entrance, which is where that swing was. In the living room, there was literally nothing but like a bed there and suitcases everywhere. And the reason for that is because a lot of mornings for breakfast, we'll all just sit right around here and eat breakfast together, which honestly, I really liked. It was a lot of fun. Moving on into the kitchen, that was just basically an open pathway between the two rooms. But the kitchen, I mean, it was very simple. It was very plain. Just stove, sink were over here. That's about it. And we had some, utensils, plates, stuff like that over here. But we also had like a little cabinet thing, and then the fridge right there. And the cabinet, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I rated most of the snacks out of there. Moving on into the bathroom, it's very similar to how the second floor bathroom is, and you guys will see that in a little bit. This bathroom was very similar. It actually had hot water through a hot water heater, unlike the second floor bathroom, which didn't. So thankfully for that. I mean, I don't really care. I take cold showers anyway. Moving on into the bedroom, there was nothing really exciting about the bedroom. There was a bed, bunch of suitcases, and then I slept on the floor right here because it was really cold on the second floor, and I can't stand sleeping in the cold, so down here I went. As for right here, this is actually where I was filming right before this clip. You can see the stairs here. My interior design peeps know what this means. And yes, for anyone wondering, I have a little bit of experience in interior design. I took like one class in high school. That's about it, but still, at least I remembered a few things. By the way, how are you guys liking this series so far? I know it's only in episode 2, but honestly, I'm really excited to show you guys how the rest of the series goes. There's so much more that we did that I cannot wait to show you guys. But let me know what you think in the comments below, whether you're liking it or not, so that I can get some feedback and figure out what to do next. Okay, bye. But as we go up these stairs, ignore that by the way. As we go up these stairs though, we reveal the balcony of the second floor, and it's quite nice up here. A little tidbit. So one time when I was coming up these stairs when I was like, I think 12, I was running up them, I slipped on that step right there, and then I cut my finger on this door very badly to the point where, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's still a scar on my ring finger to this day. Alright, so it's a whole nother day. I'm in a different shirt and sweatpants, but I never finished this video, and so I'm finishing it now, but here's the rest of the house tour. So we come on in here, and we start with this giant open room. It has a lot of beds here because a lot of people are staying here. So bam, here's a good way for everybody to stay over and not need a crap load of bedrooms. As you can see, we have a giant thing of chargers, and it's usually a lot worse. This one blew a fuse and shut power to the entire house the first night I got here. So fun! Over here we got some benches and 2 chairs. Not the most comfy thing in the world, admittedly, but still. Coming into here, we have the bathroom, and you might be wondering, oh, where's the shower? If there's a shower here, where's the actual shower part? The whole room's a shower, technically. That's why there's a drainage right over here, and why there's a drainage right over here. We have the toilet, it's vibing. Cool. Coming out of the bathroom, we go straight into the bedroom, which is loaded with a bunch of suitcases everywhere. There's a lot of people staying and a lot of clothes that are needed for that. We have a bed right here, dresser here, hello. We have another dresser here, another mirror here, hello. We have more cabinets up here. We have a giant cabinet here. Is that a giant drum here? I didn't even realize that was here. It's here though. I mean, oh, nice little window here. All of that jazz. Coming on out to here, if I can open this, there we go. We have a little terrace out here, garbage bag. We have a sink here for when you need to brush your teeth. A little mirror down here, hello. I don't know why this one's down here, but it is. It's just a little itty bitty, I guess, balcony, terrace. Nice little view. When you're coming out here to brush your teeth, you can just have a nice little view of the scenery and just be chilling. Taking these stairs up here takes you to the 3rd floor. That stair does need a bit of repair work. But once we come up here, we open this to reveal the very empty 3rd floor. And it's very echoey. Hello! I don't know why I did that. Opening this door, we have an old-fashioned Indian toilet, which is just chilling. Don't think too much about that. And coming out here, if I can open this, there we go, that really hurt. We have the roof, or well, part of the roof. The rest of it's up there. I'm way too much of a coward to go up there, so sorry, but that's the 4th floor up there technically, and this is the 3rd floor roof. Wow, honestly, I have not come out here in probably over a decade. It's been way too long. But over here we have just some, I don't know what you call these, shambles, I don't know. But here we have the view. Man, it's so nice up here, honestly. It's a bit hot, but I'm also wearing sweatpants and a long sleeve shirt, so what can you expect? But wow, honestly, it's just chill. But just like that, today's video is over. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I guess this is my welcome into Asia, specifically India, where I've moved technically. So you might be wondering what I mean by technically. So I've come here for about a good month to live in Asia. Technically it's called, I'd consider it a vacation, but at the same time it's like over a month in a new continent. So I can't really say, oh, I've just moved, or I've just had a vacation here. But I can't say, oh, I've moved here, so I would say I've moved here. If you liked this video, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments below. And if you like what you're seeing, leave subscribe. And just like that, I'm out. I'm probably gonna go eat some breakfast or do something, I don't know. Peace.